great excitement is this box. So this box is Rock Stars, and it's the September sub box from Simply Gilded. You can see it's absolutely bulging with things. It's sort of escaped its box. It's so bulging. So let's have a look. I'll take everything out of the box. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Okay, this is actually my very first pen gems. I haven't owned a pen gems before, and it is stunning. Now, if I can just work out how to open the box. There we go. Oh, it's just beautiful. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up the colours correctly, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a very nice light purple with silver hardware. It has a pen gems written on here. It has a gorgeous gem on the end, and these are just lovely. Sort of white, pink and blue gems in the barrel. So that is totally stunning. Love it. Love, love, love. Okay, this shows everything that's in the box, so we'll just pop that to the side and we'll have a look at what's in the box. So the first thing I see are these sticker seals, gemstones with a holographic foil on them. There's a journaling card, Dare to be Dazzling, also with holographic foil, and these gorgeous soft colours. Some stickers. 2 sheets of stickers. Juniper is so cute here, astronaut juniper. Gorgeous. And there's foiling on all of these deco elements. Well, there's foiling on everything. So this one says Shimmer, and it has a galaxy print on it. This one's Radiant, and this one says Rockstar. And then there's this sheet of more functional stickers. The colours are just absolutely divine. Okay, then there's this lovely, lovely pouch, which I shall open. And it's not just the washi in here, there's other things in here this time. We'll just remove everything and look at the pouch itself. So it has 2 layers of PVC here with this, with all these sequins between the PVC. There's stars and moons, stars in different sizes and colours. Looks like all of the moons are just the purple moon. Really gorgeous though. And the back side of the PVC here is just clear. So the sequins are just on one side. They're a little bit stuck at the moment, but they will loosen up and move around. That's nice. I'll just pop that there. So there's a notebook. This is a pocket-sized traveller's notebook. It's got the lovely foil on it, little star. The pattern here is just so nice with these lovely colours. Really soft colour palette, gorgeous. And on the back there's a Simply Gilded, and that has blank pages inside. Then there's foiled sticky notes. They're gorgeous. So they're also the holographic foil, a good size for writing, and a whole heap of them. Sticky notes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And there's a magnet. So a gemstone magnet, which is really sparkly, very smooth. There's the magnet there. So that will obviously, it's a magnet, it's magnetized, so it will click to anything you like. Wow, it's actually quite a strong magnet. Okay, so that's pretty. And then the last thing is the washi. So there are 5 rolls of washi. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This one's upside down. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. So these are the rolls of washi. Hopefully you can see them there. They are totally gorgeous. And I'm thrilled that I've got a large bit of pink through the middle on the bow. Pink being my favourite colour, then that is fantastic to get the bow that has a large bit of pink in there. So that box is absolutely mind-blowing. All of the things in this box, sort of so much value for money. Absolutely fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. I don't know if Irene can beat this one. This month is totally, totally amazing. So what I'm going to do now is just open the washi and we'll roll it out and see what it looks like rolled out. So this washi has words on it. This one has holographic moons, holographic bows, constellations, and this one has little stars and actually looks like hearts on it as well. Stars and hearts, so that's pretty cute. I filmed a quick project after my unboxing. Unfortunately the camera didn't record it, so all I did is with the journaling card which came in the sub box, I used the back of it to roll the washi out, just to decorate the back of the card also. So hopefully you can see the washi and the lovely holographic foil there, and I'll just quickly explain how I did it. So I used a self-healing mat and I just laid the washi out, sticking the ends of it down onto the mat so the card wouldn't move as I progressed, and I just repeated the pattern. So I had the 5 washis from the kit and then I repeated that pattern again. It was all stuck down on the mat, and I then used my craft knife just to run along the edge and cut the washi off. And it really was as simple as that. If you'd like to see me doing it, it is actually part of another tutorial on my channel. If you look at the tutorial for turning a Simply Gilded subscription box into a pocket-sized traveller's notebook, you will see, this is one I've made with the Wild Heart subscription box. You will see the inside of the traveller's notebook has the washi laid out in a similar pattern, and that I have filmed as part of that video, which I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to see that. So this is what I've done with this, and I shall do something else with this, and hopefully I film a tutorial to show you what I'm going to do with it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.